In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add profile picture in Zoom. First, open your web browser and go to https://zoom.us, sign in. Enter your email address, click next, then type your password and select sign in. Make sure you're using the account you use for meetings, especially if you have more than one. After you log in, you should land on your profile page. This page shows your basic account details. Next to your name, you'll see a blank avatar or your initials. That's the profile picture area we're about to update. Move your mouse over that area to reveal a small pencil or edit icon and click it. A pop-up window opens with the option to change picture or upload. Click that, then choose the button labeled Choose Files. Your computer's file browser will appear. Navigate to the folder where your photo is stored, select the image you want, and click Open. For best results, pick a clear, well-lit headshot with your face centered. JPG or PNG files work great. Once the image uploads, you'll see it inside the pop-up. Use the dotted square frame to crop and position the picture. Drag to move the frame, and use the corners to resize until it looks just right. The preview on the right shows the exact final result. Aim for a comfortable crop that leaves a little space above your head and keeps your face fully visible. If the image looks blurry, try a higher resolution file. If it's sideways, rotate it on your computer first, then upload again. When you're happy with the preview, click the blue Save button. Zoom will apply the change, and your new photo will appear next to your name on the profile page. This is the image others see in meetings when your camera is off, and it will sync across devices when you sign in with the same account. You can update it anytime by repeating these steps. If you run into issues, check that your browser isn't blocking pop-ups and that the file size isn't extremely large. Simple, square-ish images tend to crop most cleanly, and neutral backgrounds look professional without distractions. And that's it. You've signed in, uploaded your photo, adjusted the crop, and saved. Quick and easy. Enjoy your refreshed Zoom presence.